Hey Misfits, Toni Craft here. You probably hear in my voice that I have some going on. I had strep throat recently, which is weird because I've never had strep throat in my life, never. And no one else in my house got it. So I have no idea what that was about, but it sucked. I do not recommend strep throat to anyone. It was terrible. And that sort of collided with all these other really busy things in the span of 2 weeks. So I had strep, so that weekend I couldn't film any videos. And then my oldest daughter's birthday was the next weekend, so we spent the whole weekend doing birthday stuff for her, which was really fun, but again, no videos. And then I had a booth at a little market, a spring fling, and that went pretty well, but it's, you know, of course it takes so much effort to get ready for markets and stuff. And you know, there was just a million unfinished necklaces and things that I had to finish, and packing up and figuring out, you know, how to display and all that stuff. But I enjoy doing markets. It is fun. And so far, since I've been doing this particular jewelry stuff, I haven't done any big markets. I've only done small ones, which I'm kind of just doing as practice to sort of get back into the flow of it. I used to have an Etsy business and used to have markets and stuff, but it was a different animal. So anyways, that's what's going on with me. And then on top of all that, my regular day job, my corporate job, is gearing up to be very busy. My busy period at work gets earlier and earlier in the year every year, and longer and longer. So now apparently it's starting in April. It used to start in October, and every year it's gotten a little bit closer. So I've been at my current company for 7.5 years, which blows my mind because it's not a place that you would expect to see me at. I don't really fit there, which is odd, but I've been there a long time, and you know, apparently I'm good at what I do, I guess. So anyway, so yeah, I've got a really busy upcoming workload in general, and so I'm really trying to sort of figure out, like, how am I going to keep up with my YouTube channel, and now I'm on Steemit, Instagram, you know, all the things. It's not easy when you have 2 kids and a full-time job to find the time to do this stuff. But it's what I want to do, and it's what I'm going to keep doing, and everything is growing. So anyways, I just got to keep working at it, and hopefully one day I'll be able to spend all my time with you guys instead of having a full-time job. But anyways, thank you guys for your support, and I'm sorry I missed a video last week. I think I've filmed enough today to have a couple weeks worth. So again, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions for anything that you'd like to see, any particular tutorials, please drop me a line. I'd be happy to take your suggestions and do something with them. I hope you guys have been able to dedicate a lot of time to art and using your hands and making stuff and getting stuff out of your brain. I know it makes me feel good, so I hope it makes you feel good too. All right, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you.